everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. It is another bonus video for you guys, and yes, I do look kind of crazy because I do only have one fake lash on and then nothing on this one, but that is because that is the topic of today's video. And as you guys know, I've worked with EYLURE before, and they were kind enough to work with me again. A few months back, I did a product first impressions video and haul, which I will leave down below for you guys, and I featured these EYLURE eyelashes. These are the EYLURE Luxe Opulent Feather Light Feel Reusable Mink Effect lashes, and I absolutely loved them. They are super easy to use, and they recently came out with a blending mascara to be used with their fake lashes. And so this week I decided I would do a bonus video for you guys and try this out because they were kind enough to send it to me. And so this is just the EYLURE Blend Care False Eyelash Blending Mascara, and basically what this is supposed to do is blend natural and false eyelashes together, and it is easily used in 3 different steps. The first step is to apply the Blend and Care to your natural lashes, pop on the false lashes and allow them to dry, and then reapply the Blend and Care, and you're ready to go. And I can't put on false lashes for the life of me on camera, and so I did it off camera, but before I applied the fake lashes on my left eyelash, I did go ahead and put this on. It's basically like any other mascara, and this is just what the one looks like. It is really small and thin and has a ton of different bristles. And now we're gonna go ahead and apply it again, and I am gonna zoom in so you guys can see what it does and the difference. So obviously my left eye has the fake lashes and the right eye doesn't. Sorry, I keep looking in the viewfinder. And no, these are not on perfectly. I tried my darndest to get them on perfectly. However, I still have not mastered it. So this is what they look like unblended. I moved you guys in even closer, and as you guys can see, my normal lashes are right here, and they are like completely separated from the fake lashes. And so this blending mascara is supposed to fix that. And I'm gonna try to keep it in focus and not stab myself in the eye. Oh my gosh, it actually works. That's kind of crazy. As you guys can see, it literally pulls your natural lashes up into the fake lashes and blends them like perfectly. And now it kind of looks like more eyeliner too. So obviously here's the difference versus the fake ones. I definitely see the difference because now my natural lashes are curling up with the false ones, which is really nice. So I'm gonna give this product an 8 out of 10. There is nothing wrong with it. However, I rarely give products 10 out of 10s. It was super easy to use. It doesn't have a funky smell. The only thing I don't like is that you do have to apply it twice. That's kind of time consuming. I mean, but it's not really a downside. It's just what it is. I honestly love it, and I can't wait to use it more often with these lashes, and I'm sure you could use it with any lashes, to be honest. And so this product definitely gets a thumbs up from me. And if you guys like this video and would like me to do more product first impression bonus videos for you guys, be sure to let me know in the comments down below because I can definitely do them. You all seem to really like these videos where I just come on and test random products that are usually beauty related, and so I figured I would keep doing them for you guys, and I'm so thankful for all the companies that have been willing to work with me. If you guys have any specific products you would like me to try, be sure to leave them in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you liked it and would like to see more videos like this one. If you guys would like to see an everyday makeup routine or a really dramatic makeup routine featuring these lashes, be sure to let me know because I can definitely do that for you guys. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload 2 new videos a week and often upload a bonus video every once in a while too, and would love it if you'd become part of the Allie Packer squad. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!